How you doing? Besides the dirty handprints, done. Dunzo. Innovative door. In and out, 25 minutes. The cables just came off. They had a big box in there and it jacked up the door, so it's done. Bent the track back, added a little tension. It's all good to go. So once again, for all your jacked up garage door needs, call Innovative Garage Door, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us in person at the showroom, 650 Ogden in Downers Grove. Thanks for watching our jacked up door video in Lisle, Illinois.